What's up everybody, it's DamenRoy with Chilmo Gaming, and our truck got messed up and I'm here fixing it. I'm trying to fix it. This is what happens to the truck when you turn it on and you hold the brake and you try to shift gears. It doesn't work that well. That one did because I have it hooked on there right now, but I'm going to show you how to fix that. If this is moving freely on your 2007 GMC Sierra 2500, I'll show you how to fix it real quick. So make sure you got your parking brake. You got to go down here underneath the truck. There's a piece. This, if you follow your shift, let me go back up front. Your shift lever has a piece here. You can't really see it in the dark, but if you can look in there. I can't see it. There it is. So it's right here. This little thing, totally dark. That thing right there, the black and the metal piece sticking out the back. That's connected to your shift lever, and then it's connected to your shift cable, which runs all the way down here, right? And then it just keeps going all the way down here, and then it goes into the bottom. Alright, so that cable runs down this way and it goes in here and it goes underneath. So we follow that, and there it is. There's the piece. And you follow that, and it goes this way and it curves that way, and it curves this way, and it curves that way. If you follow it, you can get all the way to this little thing, and this is where the magic happens. This is why your shift lever isn't working properly. So now I have to put it back in there so the shift lever can work, so it can shift gears. Anyways, alright, so I gotta craft something on the fly, and then I guess I'll figure out what to do later, because this is crazy. Anyways, alright. Okay. So, in order to, I'll call it back under here. In order to latch the shift cable back to the shift lever, or the little shifty thing down here underneath from the transmission, I used a piece of a keychain ring, key ring. Got some pliers, got my pliers out, and I wrapped it around that little knob there, so it doesn't come loose. Looks like it's good for now. Keep me home so I can work on it some more. And yeah, and that should fix it. So let's check it out. Alright. Okay, let's see here. Sorry, I'm still recording. Let's see. Reverse, neutral, drive, baby, and back. I did it. So if you guys ever have a problem with your shift lever, make sure you do what I just did there. Check down there and see if that's an issue and get that fixed, man. I hope that helped you guys out. Peace out. Chilmo Gaming, baby. Yeah.